Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial. So how can you write something, write the text which is present in this text box into a file and that read that text which is present in the file into this text box. So to do this we have to work on these two buttons. First we have to write something into the file and then we have to read something which is present in the file. First of all you have to write, then you can read, because you can't read which the some you can't read something which is not present. To do this I have to view this code. We view this code, we double click the right button. I go into the right button code. This is the right button code. Here what I did, I opened a stream, a writer stream, and named it as writer. I created a new instance of stream writer and I've given the path name. This is the file name, text.txt. This at the rate is creating the file in the debug folder in the project. Okay, so this doesn't matter wherever I move the project in my entire computer, the file will work. So after opening an stream, a text writer stream, we have to write the text present in the writer text box, which is named as writer.txt. Here is the name, writer.txt. This text box name is writer.txt, and this text box name is read.txt. This button name is write button and this button name is read button. Okay, we have to go to the code. So when something is present in the write text box, the writer this writer writes this text into this file and then clears the text box. And then, so this is the important part, we have to close the writer stream so we can read the text which is present in this text file, because if the writer stream is open, we can't read, because we are working on the same file. And it is important to write something in the file, and it is important we have to close the file to write something in the file. And the read, so here I am creating a stream reader, named it as reader, and it is going to the same path. So this is also important that when we are writing something, it is not necessary that the file is present. This stream writer, this is a class, it creates a file, but when we have to read something from the file has to be present. Okay, so otherwise it will give an error, which can be handled. I will discuss this in the other video. Then the reader txt text, I'm putting the text present in the file into the reader text box and then closing the reader file, and it is working like this. Like if I write hello and write it in the file, then I can read hello from that file. And this is and when I'm writing something, it is clearing the previous text which is present in the file. If I write Google, then there is no hello, there is Google. Okay, this is working like that. Thank you.